In this video, I will show you how to change email and transfer Discord account ownership. So the first step is to simply go to your settings on Discord, and then the next step is to simply go to my account. Now here, as you can see, you have your email, so simply click on the edit button. Now as you can see here, they're gonna send a verification code on your email address. So simply click on send verification code, and after that you're gonna have to simply enter the code. So let me go here and let's refresh this. So as you can see, this is my code. Now I'm gonna copy this and then I'm gonna paste it right here. Then simply click on next, and then here what you're gonna have to do is simply enter the new owner email address and your current password, and then simply click on done. And basically that's all you have to do in order to change email and transfer Discord account ownership. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.